Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 7 from exercise number 3.1. So these are all the diagrams given. Here they are asking about the exterior angle. So before going to the problem, you just understand the concept behind it. Suppose we are taking a triangle. It's an equilateral triangle for example. So equilateral triangle means all the angles are 60, 60 and 60. Equiangular diagram. So here if this is 160 means what will be the exterior angle in this place? Definitely it will be 120 degree. Why it is 120? Because this will be 180 minus 60. Always for any interior and that particular exterior will be the linear pairs. Linear pair means if you add these two angles, definitely that should come to 180 degree. Here 60 means here you have to take 120 only. Suppose we are extending here, this is 60, what will be this side? Definitely 120. I am not doubling, I just finding by 180 minus 60 only. Because the straight line is 180 degree, one half is 60, so the remaining should be 180 minus 60. So here 120, here 120, here 120. Just add all the exterior angles. 120, 120, 120 will give you 360 degree. So sum of all exterior angles in a triangle is 360 degree. Suppose I am taking a square now. We are taking a square. So we know that in a square all the angles are 90. This is 90, this all are 90 only. Suppose I am consisting a exterior angle in this place. So what will be the exterior of this side? Definitely it will also will be 90. Then only 90 plus 90 will be forming a 180 degree. This is 90. Suppose for this interior angle if I am finding, this also will be 90 only. For this angle if I am finding means here also it will be 90 because that interior and exterior should form 180 degree. They are in straight line. Here also it will be, this is 90. Definitely this also will be 90 only. So add all the exterior angles. How many times 90 you are getting? 4 times. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 will give you 360 degree. Whatever diagram it may be, definitely when we are adding all the exterior angle, answer will be 360 only. You no need to verify anything. Sum of exterior angle which is equal to 360 degree. Now we'll go on to the problem now. So here look at the first diagram, triangle. Now they are asked you to find out what is x plus y plus z. So we know that sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon. For any diagram it can be, that answer will be 360 only. 360 degree. So here x is exterior, y is exterior, z is also an exterior. So x plus y plus z, definitely it will be 360 only. You no need to find the value for x, y, z and all. Blindly we can say that addition of all the three exterior angles 360 degree only. Coming to this problem, again we are having a quadrilateral. X, Y, Z and W all are exterior angle. They are asked you to find out what is x plus y plus z plus w. We can find this angle, then we can go for linear pair. After finding x, y, z and w also we can find, but that is waste of time only because we are adding all the exterior angles. Definitely that answer will be 360 degree only. We can say that exterior angle property. Exterior angle sum, definitely it will be 360 degree only. That's why x plus y plus z plus w will be 360 degree. We can write it directly also. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.